In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an RLCraft server for Minecraft. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up any web browser. For this video, I'm going to be utilizing Google Chrome. Okay, once you're in Google Chrome, all you want to do is you want to go to the search bar just like so and look up Essential Mod. Essential Mod is a mod that will allow you to host your very own server where you can play mod packs such as RLCraft. But all you want to do is you want to go to the official essential.gg website. You will then be taken to a website that looks like this, and all you want to do is you want to press on the blue button that does say download. Now, even though Essential is really good, there are still a few limitations. Your server will only be online whenever you're hosting the world and whenever you're on Minecraft as well. But if you want a 24/7 plug-and-play solution, then consider using our partners over at Simple Game Hosting. Simple Game Hosting offers affordable and quality servers where you're able to upload mod packs such as RLCraft, Pixelmon, and Cobblemon with the click of a single button. In fact, Simple Game Hosting specializes in creating modded servers, and there's also dozens of video guides showing you how to do every single process. If this is something you're interested in, feel free to check out the link in the description down below and in the pinned comments, and be sure to use code FRYBRIGHT for 25% off your very first month of server hosting. Alright, so that's enough yapping from me, so all you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and drag and drop the Essential installer to your desktop just like so, and I recommend that you guys do the same thing as well. Okay, but we are not done yet. And then the next thing you want to do is you want to go to another tab and just look up CurseForge download. Once you're done with that, you want to go to the official curseforge.com website just like so. It will then bring you to a page that looks like this, and all you want to do is you want to press on download standalone right over here. And CurseForge is basically an application that will allow us to download mod packs such as RLCraft significantly easier, and it actually does work with the Essential mod, so we can go ahead and just drag and drop the CurseForge Windows installer to our desktop just like so. So at the moment, we should have these two files right over here. So the next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and double click on the CurseForge installer just like so. So go ahead and do that. And then a menu like this will appear. It will say welcome to CurseForge. So all you want to do is you want to press on next. Then over here, it is going to tell you where in your device it is actually going to install CurseForge. Go ahead and press on I accept the terms and use. Then go ahead and press on next. Now it'll begin to install CurseForge, which really doesn't take up too much space on your device either. By the way, if you're going to play this with your friends, then that means you and all of your friends will also need to install the Essential mod and the CurseForge installer. So please be sure to send this video to your friends so that they know how to do everything correctly, and so that all of you are able to play Minecraft together. Alright, once you're done with that, you will then be brought to a page that looks like this, and all you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on Minecraft. Then you're going to get a screen that looks like this, and as you're able to tell, I already did install a bunch of mod packs in the past. However, if you never downloaded the RLCraft mod pack, then all you want to do is you want to go to the search bar just like so, and type in RLCraft, and it should be towards the top. Yep, it is right over here, and basically you want to go ahead and press on this orange button. It will say download, but since I already downloaded RLCraft before the video, it's going to say play for me. But if you never downloaded RLCraft, then this button over here will actually say download, and this will basically automatically install RLCraft into your device. Now to clarify, that means that everyone who is going to play on your server also needs to download RLCraft on their device as well in order for it to work. Alright, so once you went ahead and installed our RLCraft, you are good to go, and we can go ahead and just minimize this window for a little bit. And now we're going to go ahead and head on to the Essential installer. So all you want to do is you want to double click on the Essential installer just like so. Then you want to go ahead and press on get started. Then where it says select your launcher, you want to go ahead and select on CurseForge. So go ahead and press on that, and there you go, the installation of RLCraft will actually appear. So yeah, if you did download RLCraft, then RLCraft will actually appear on this list. So you just want to go ahead and press on it just like so. You're then going to get something that looks like this, and then over here it will say close CurseForge. So let's go ahead and close CurseForge really quickly. But closing CurseForge is actually a little bit like more complicated than it needs to be. You can't just exit out of the app or anything like that. That will not work. So what you need to do is you actually need to go ahead and adjust the CurseForge settings. So you want to go to this left menu over here. Then you want to press on settings. Then where it says when I close CurseForge, make sure that exit CurseForge is actually selected, because I think by default it's hide CurseForge, but that will not work. We need to completely turn off CurseForge in order for the Essential mod to actually work. So make sure to select on exit CurseForge. Then you can go ahead and just exit out of CurseForge just like so. Then you want to go ahead and just refresh this page like so, and then there you go. It will now say update and install Essential. So once you're done with that, you just want to go ahead and press on update and install, and now the Essential mod will begin to install on your device. Okay, once you're done with that, it will now say installed. So from here, you can go ahead and just close out of the Essential installer like so. And now all you want to do is you want to go ahead and just open up CurseForge one more time, which we did just install. Alright, so once you're back over in CurseForge, you want to go ahead and locate RLCraft just like so. Then you want to go ahead and press on play. Alright, once you're done with that, it will then open up the Minecraft launcher just like so. And all you want to do is you want to go ahead and make sure that RLCraft is selected. Then you want to go ahead and press on play. Alright, once you're done with that, you're now going to get something that looks like this, and we are now officially in RLCraft right over here. And as you're able to tell, we also do have the Essential mod installed with it. So the way it works is that you need to go ahead and add the people that are trying to join your server as a friend on the Essential mod, and then you can go ahead and host your world and invite them. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to the right menu, press on social, then you're going to get a screen that looks like this, and all you want to do is you want to press on this button over here that does say add friend, and then you can go ahead and add your friend and just type in their username. And then all they need to do is accept your request. Now, when it comes to actually hosting a world, all you want to do is you want to press on this button that says host world, and you guys could already load into a pre-existing world, or you can go ahead and create a new one. From there, you can go ahead and set the difficulty and the game mode as well. Then you can go ahead and just create a new world just like that. Alright guys, and here we are in our RLCraft. So in order to actually start inviting your friends, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press over here where it does say invite, and then go ahead and press on do not show, then go ahead and press on proceed. From here, you guys could select the difficulty, the game mode, and whether cheats are enabled. Then you want to go ahead and press on next, and then from here, you're able to go ahead and invite all your friends who are also on the Essential mod. I know this process could be a little bit confusing. That's why I strongly suggest using Simple Game Hosting, as you're able to make modded servers with mod packs such as RLCraft and Pixelmon with the click of a single button. If that's something you're interested in, feel free to check out the link in the description down below and in the pinned comment. See you later, French fries!